Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to multi-stream with OBS Studio. Alright, let's begin. This allows you to stream on platforms like Kick, YouTube, and Twitch simultaneously, all for free and with ease. While I currently stream on Twitch, the idea of expanding to Kick seemed appealing, and streaming on both platforms simultaneously can be a great idea. The key here is to achieve this without relying on Restream, as its free version includes a watermark on the screen. To get started, you'll need OBS, and I'll provide a link for you to download it. You can proceed to download the OBS Multiple RTMP 64 installer from a provided link. After downloading, run the installer, install the plugin, and then reopen OBS. You'll notice a new plugin option in the top left corner, the multistream output. This plugin works by using your regular stream output for the main platform you stream to, such as Twitch. Now, let's add a new stream source. For example, if you want to stream on Kick, click on Add a new target, name it e.g. Kick, and enter the server key and stream key obtained from Kick settings. Once added, customize the output settings if needed and click Done. Now you can see Kick added to your streaming options. You can repeat this process for other platforms like YouTube or Twitch. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.